Begin. So namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to the day 8 of October Yoga Challenge. So as we usually do, we'll start with humming sound three times. So sit with your eyes closed. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the humming vibration inside the body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment, here and now. You may slowly and gently open your eyes. So today we will be doing a Agnisara Pranayam. So many of you might be knowing how to do because we have done it before. Let me show you once and then we will be doing 3 rounds. So how we do is, first we'll be breathing in deeply and taking our head back. And then we breathe out from the mouth and bend forward. We breathe out completely and then hold the breath. Slowly come up. Chin to the chest. Keep holding the breath. Chin to the chest. Pull your navel in. And while holding the breath, we need to flap our tummy here. And once you cannot hold anymore, that is the time you breathe in and relax. So while we are flapping our tummy, there is no air inside. We have completely breathed out and we are holding the breath. We pull our navel in and then the abdomen will go in and out. We are pumping the abdomen. Okay. So let's do it for 3 rounds with the eyes closed. And those who don't know, those who are doing for first time, you can keep your eyes open for the first round and then another 2 rounds, you close your eyes. Okay. So palms on your knees facing the ground. Breathe in, take your head up and breathe out. Slowly come up, hold the breath, chin to the chest, lift up your shoulder to make more space in your abdomen and pump your abdomen in and out. And once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Relax for a few breaths. Feel the sensation around your navel region. All these energizing breaths gives a lot of energy. And especially Agnisar is very good to improve your digestive fire. Now let's continue for the second round. Palms on your knees, facing the ground. Breathing in, take your head up. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Flap your tummy in and out. And once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax with a smile on your face. Feel the sensation around your navel region. Let's continue with the third round. Palms on your knees facing the sky. Breathe in, take your head up. And hold the breath, chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up and flap your tummy in and out. And breathing in, slowly come up and relax. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's take our finger and let's all stand up. We'll do some loosening exercise, the joint loosening exercises. So let's start with our neck. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right hand back. And breathing out, left and front. Make a nice rotation with your neck and attention on your neck region. Awareness on the breath. Coordinate the movement with the breath and keep a smile on your face. Once you complete this round, reverse the direction, breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. Once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Now let's do shoulder rotation. For the shoulder rotation, make a loose fist and slowly start rotating clockwise direction. Do it slowly, clockwise. Bring your biceps close to your ear while it is going close to the ear. Moving your shoulder. Reverse direction. And relax. Let's do it with the other hand. Make a fist. Anti-clockwise. And clockwise. And relax. Let's go to the spine now. For the spine, what we do is we turn to the right side and take your left arm, stretch your left arm, and turn to the left and stretch your right arm. Keep stretching. Go to the right and to the left. Right and to the left. This time, when you go to the right, see if you can take your left arm exactly behind your back. Stretch little more. And relax. Let's go to the waist region now. Spread your leg comfortably apart. Push your waist to the left. Push, push, push. Push it to the left. And then to the right. Push it to the right. Once again to the left. And to the right. And now let's do waist rotation. Make a nice circle with your waist. Feel the pelvic movement. Reverse direction. And relax. Now let's move to your knee. Lift your left leg, right leg 90 degrees. Your thighs is exactly parallel to the ground. And straighten your leg. Breathing out, straighten your leg. Now stretch your leg and let's do ankle rotation. Clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Let's do it with the left leg. Lift your left leg and relax. Stretch your left leg and ankle rotation. Opposite direction. And relax. Take few breaths here. So today kids will really enjoy. Today we will do some warm-ups with kids posture. Let's jump like a rabbit. So let's bend down. How is a rabbit? Rabbit ears are big, right? So let's make a rabbit ear first. and slowly go down, down, become a nice rabbit. Okay, jump to the right and move your bum like this. Jump to the left. Once again, move your bum. Right, bunny rabbit, happy rabbit. Keep moving left, then right, then left. Once again, right, left, right, left, right, and relax. Catch a few breaths here. Some more for the kids. Let's do frog posture. Place both your palms between your legs. For adults, be careful. Be cautious. If you feel you can't jump much, you do only as much as you can. Okay? Jump from here. Other side now. Jump. Keep jumping. Jump, jump. Jump like a frog. Keep jumping and come back to the center. And slowly stand up. Loosen up your legs. Take few breaths here. Palms by the side of the body. Okay. Now let's move to the asanas. We start with Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up. Interlace the finger. Palms facing the sky and slowly come up on your toes. Look at a single point in front of you. You will be able to hold. And slowly come down and relax. Relax for a few breaths. Let's do Kati Chakrasana here. Breathing in, take your arms in front of the chest as if you are holding a box in both the palms. And gently turn to the right side, keeping the box intact, and look over your right shoulder. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. But make sure your left foot toes are touching the ground. Stay there. Continue breathing. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Trikonasana. Spread your leg 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Turn your right foot 90 degrees. Left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Okay. Now breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Breathing out, slide the upper half of the body to the right side. Keep sliding, keep sliding. Stay here. Once again, breathe in here. And then breathing out, bend to the right side. And look at your left palm. Look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Now turn your left foot 90 degrees outward and your right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward this time. Once again, breathing in, take your arms up. Look at your left palm and slide the upper half of your body to the left. Slide the upper half of your body to the left. And breathing out, bend to the left side. And look at your right palm. Look at your right palm. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Loosen up your leg. Let's do one more asana for the leg. Spread your leg once again 3 to 4 feet apart, whatever is comfortable to you. And then slowly keep your palms on your knees and slowly go down, down, and keep your back straight. Back straight. Just stay there. This is called as Skanda Mata Asana. Skandasana. Strengthening our thighs as well as the whole leg. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, bring your legs closer. So listen to your body. We are adding little bit difficult stretches. So if you feel it's difficult for yourself, please avoid it. So come to the front of the mat. Let's start with our sun salutation, the Surya Namaskar, with some variations in between. Breathe in and out. Namaste. One. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up. Stretch backwards, hips forward, head back. Breathing out, bend from your waist and slowly go down. Then place the palms by the side of your feet. You may bend your knees and then breathing in, straighten your back. Breathing out, go closer to the knee. Every time you breathe in, you don't try to go deeper. You just straighten your back. Then breathing out, go closer to the knee. Stay there for a few breaths, 1 or 2 breaths. Now breathing in, take your right leg back. Take your right leg back. In Ashtra Sanchalanasana, this is the fourth posture. Breathe in, hold the breath. Take left leg back. In Chaturanga Dandasana, the stick pose. Body is in straight line from head to the toe. What we'll be doing here is you'll be just holding here for 4 to 5 breaths. Just stay here. 4 to 5 breaths. Body is in straight line. This is helping in strengthening our arms as well as our core muscles. Engage the core. Breathing out. Place your knees on the ground and slide forward in Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 parts of the body touching the mat or the ground. Breathing in Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. Touch your heels also to the ground and bring your chest closer to your thigh. Make a perfect V. We will do some variation here. From the downward facing dog, we will go to the Dandasana, the stick posture. Slowly go to the stick posture. Come up on your toes and cross your palms. Go a little bit front. And listen to your body. Those who feel, okay, I can't do it, please avoid it. Cross your palms. And again, back to downward facing dog. Once again, cross your palms. Listen to your body. You are at your comfort of your own home. Nobody is looking at you. If you feel you can't do it, please avoid. And come back to the downward facing dog. And now breathe in, bring your right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. Left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, back to Namaste. So this was the first half on the right leg. Let's continue with the second half on the left leg. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left. 10, 11,
आपकी साउंड नहीं आ रही.
sit down. Let's rub our feet together. Feet together. Bring it close to the body, as close as possible. And let's flap our leg. Flap your leg. Smiling butterflies. The colorful, beautiful, and smiling butterflies. Flap your legs. Faster, faster, faster. And now, let's place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches far from the body. And then, keeping your back straight, push your elbows on your thighs to keep the thighs on the ground. But make sure your back is straight and slowly go down as much as you can. Just listen to your body. If you can go down only this much, just stay there. Just go down. We are not trying to go down, we are trying to actually go forward so that the back is straight. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Let's come to the cat stretch. Palms below the shoulder, knees below the hips. Cat posture. Now breathing in, take your head up and your navel down. Pull your navel down and your head up. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Make a hump with your back like a camel. Breathing in, make an arch. And breathing out, make a hump. Once again, breathing in, make an arch. And breathing out, make a hump. Nice movement for your back. Breathing in, come back to the center. And now slowly sit on your knee and your heel in Vajrasana. This is called as Vajrasana. Now from here, keeping your back straight, slide your palms in front and go down in child pose. Touch your head to the ground. If you can't touch because your hip is coming up like this, you may make a fist and place it below the forehead and just relax for a few breaths here, 2 to 3 breaths. But make sure your hip is still touching the heel. And breathing in, slowly come up. And let's lie down on our stomach. And let's do some lying down postures. Lie down on the stomach. Stretch your arms over the head. Breathing in, lift up in Superman or a Superwoman posture. Fly high. Lift the upper half of your body, your thighs, your leg, whole leg. Stay there. Continue breathing. And breathing out, slowly go down. Relax. Take your arms on both sides of the body. Bend your knee. Hold the ankle. And now breathing in, lift up the upper half of your body on your thigh in Dhanurasana, the bow posture. And if you feel difficult to lift, you may just hold like this. Even this is good enough. So listening to the body is very important. The last thing we want from this session is anybody getting injured. So we don't want any injury here. Breathing out, relax. Let's do some posture on the side today. Let's go to the side. Lie down on the right side of your body and place your head on your palm. And here, what we will do is we will lift our leg up, left leg straight up and down, up and down, up and down. This time, once we lift up, we start making a circle. And with the help of the left palm, we balance our body clockwise. 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1. Balance your body with the palm. 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Now let's do one simple posture like this. What we have to do is lift your left leg and place your left foot in front of your waist, in front of your right thigh, like this. Place your palm on your left knee, left palm on your left knee, and then lift up your right leg little bit and relax in Vishnu Asana. Stretch your right leg, which is lifted, with a smile on your face. And breathing out, relax, slowly come down. Now let's do all this on the other side. We did it on the right side of the body. Now let's do on the left side of the body. You just flip over. I'm turning so that you are able to see me. Now place the right palm in front of the chest to balance our body and lift up your right leg this time. Up, down, up, down, up, down. This time when you take up, let's start making a circle. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. This exercise is very good to get rid of the fat around this region, outside of your thigh. So let's do Vishnu Asana on this side. Place your right foot in front of your thigh and place the right palm on your right knee. Lift up your left leg straight up. With a beautiful smile on your face. As if you are a Narayana for this moment. And breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Now let's lie down on our back. Let's do some lying down posture. So let's do inversion here. Gently place both the palms below the buttock. And breathing in, lift both the legs straight up, perpendicular to the body. And stay like this for a few breaths. Let the blood flow from your toe towards your brain region. Stay there. Continue breathing. Keep your legs straight, knees straight. If you can't come perpendicular, you may do this much or this much, whatever you can. And breathing out, slowly bring your legs down. Slowly, inch by inch. Relax. Now let's do Pavan Muktasan here. Wind release posture. Breathing in, lift up both the legs straight up, bend it from your knee and bring it close to the chest as close as possible. Once again, breathing and then breathing out. Bring your nose between the knee and hold both the legs. You may rock your body forward and backward. Give a good massage to your back. Now gently place the head on the ground and rock sideways. Rock sideways. And relax. Straighten your legs. Spread your arms on both the side of the body, in line with the shoulder, perpendicular to the body. Now bend both the legs, both the legs. Now gently lift your right ankle and place it on your left knee. Right ankle on your left knee. And then drop both the legs to the right side and look at your left palm. Breathing in, come back to the center. Drop to the left and look at your right palm. In, come back to the center, drop to the right and look at your left. In, other side. Relax your spine. Breathing in, come back to the center. Now let's change the leg positions. Now the left ankle goes on your right knee. Now breathing in, drop both the legs to the left side first and face the right palm. Breathing in, come back to the center. Drop both the legs to the right and look at your left palm. Once again, come back to the center, the opposite side and the opposite palm. And to the right, left palm, and come back to the center. And straighten your leg. Straighten your leg. Let's do final relaxation here. For final relaxation, what we will okay, and we will do it for 2 times. Okay, let's start. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha! Let's do it one more time. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha! Relax. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Feel the touch of each and every part of your body touching the ground or the mat and just drop it. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth, becoming one with the earth element. Let your mind dissolve into the space, becoming one with the space element. Gently bring your attention to the right foot, right lower leg and knee, right thigh and hip, full of your right leg. Gently move your attention to the left foot, left lower leg and knee, left thigh and hip, full of your left leg. Genital region, abdomen, stomach near navel region, chest near the heart, right shoulder and right arm, left shoulder and left arm, throat and neck region, face, forehead, top of the head, and whole body. Bring your attention to the whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Taking support of your arms, slowly sit up, keeping your eyes closed. And you may slowly open your eyes. So for the cooling breaths, I hope you all remember the Brahmari Pranayam where we put our index finger on our ear leads and then we make a humming sound. And while making a humming sound, we close and open our ear lids so that the vibration happens on the humming sound. Similar to this, we'll be doing Shanmukhi Pranayama. The sound and the movement is same, but only the finger positions are different now. We'll put a thumb on your earlids, thumb on the earlids, the index finger gently on your eyes, middle finger gently on your nose, ring fingers on upper lip, and little finger on the chin. Once we are ready for the position, we will breathe in, and breathing out, we'll make a humming sound and close and open the earlid. Okay, we will do it for at least 5 breaths. Okay, let's begin. Breathe in. And relax. Shanmukhi Pranayam helps us to cool down, relax our body, and bring our senses inward. Place the palms on your thighs, facing the sky, keeping your eyes closed. Let's sit here for a few minutes. Sit with your back straight, spine erect, body relax and loose. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Listen to the sound all around you. The sound of the music, sound of the aircon, the sound of kids playing, and be ease with them. Be in harmony with all the sounds around you. Gently bring your attention to your whole body. Bring the attention to your breath. Breath is going in and out, keeping this body alive. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. Become aware of your body and the surrounding. You may slowly and gently open your eyes. With this, we complete this session for the day 8. And those who feels like sitting for some more time, please sit for 10 more minutes, do more meditation. Because the ultimate goal of all these exercises is to go deeper into the meditation. So that's all for today. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow at sharp 6:45. Hope you all enjoy.